Multi-location dashboard allows you to group individual locations. Grouping individual locations allows you to generate consolidated reports across grouped locations, such as sales trends, performance comparisons, or weekly summaries, to quickly identify top performers or issues. To create or access custom groups, click on the double arrows at the top next to your business name. On this screen, tap the Manage button on the upper right corner. Click the My Custom Groups tab. From here, you can add a custom group or manage existing custom groups. To add a custom group, tap on the Add Custom Group button on the right. Name the custom group, then select Assign Locations. From here, you can select groups or individual locations to add to the custom group. All selected locations will be displayed in the Selected Locations tab for easy reference. Once you're done, select the Assign Locations at the bottom right, then click Save. Your new custom group will appear in the list. To manage a custom group, make sure you have selected the My Custom Groups tab. Select the checkbox next to one of the group names, then select Edit. From here, you can delete the custom group, edit the name of the custom group, add and remove locations from the custom group. In summary, grouping locations transforms fragmented multi-site management into a unified, scalable system. It's best suited for businesses with similar operations across sites. Thank you very much for watching.